Good morning, students. In last class, we have started that chapter synthetic fiber and plastic. There, I told you that about the fibers. There is a two type of the fiber: natural fiber and synthetic fiber. That natural fiber we are getting from the natural way, and synthetic fiber we are getting from the human. That is the human-made fiber is a synthetic fiber. Now we are doing that synthetic fiber. There is a different type of the synthetic fiber, and this one formation of the synthetic fiber is the polymerization, that is the joining two and more monomers into polymer, that is the polymerization, this process. Now we will start our next topic, type of the synthetic fiber, that is the man-made fiber type. We will start. Human-made fiber are called synthetic fiber. Then some synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon, polyester and the acrylic fiber. That is, we will start our rayon. Rayon is a human-made synthetic fiber. Then what is the use of rayon? From where we are formation that of rayon, that we will read. Rayon, it is a synthetic fiber prepared from wood pulp, and this wood pulp is developed in an alkaline solution and then passed through a tiny pores to convert them into the fibers. Then they are passed through a sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, that formula we can say that H2SO4, to make them hard. These fibers are spun into yarn and then woven into the fabric. The resembled silk in appearance and is also called artificial silk. And it is cheaper than silk, can be dyed easily. That is, it is cheaper than silk because silk is our natural that we are getting from the animal. That's why this one is a not cheap, but this one it is cheaper than the silk because we are making ourselves. Rayon is also known as the regenerated fiber because it is reformed from the original cellulose fibers. From where we are getting original cellulose fiber. It absorbs sweat and thus can be comfortably worn in the summer. In summer we can easily worn. What are the uses of the rayon? Rayon is used in textile industry for making fabric. That for rayon fabric we are using in textile industry. Textile industry, that is for making cloth, that fabric, that industry. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheet, dresses, aprons and caps also. This one. Rayon is mixed with wool to make beautiful and durable carpet also. Rayon is used to manufacture tire cords also. It is used to make bandages and lint for surgical dressing of the wound. This yes, rayon also we are using in medical as well as for making the different type of the fabric, and there is a for making bed sheet and their dresses. These are the uses of the rayon. Next, our nylon. Nylon is the first fully synthetic fiber made by humans. What are the use of the nylon? Nylon is the first fully synthetic fiber made by humans. Nylon derived its name from first letter of New York and first three letter of London. That from where that nylon is formed, that is the first fully synthetic fiber. It is derived from the first letter of the New York and the first three letters of the London, the two cities where it was simultaneously developed and marketed. Nylon is a polyamide fiber prepared by polymerization of large number of amide molecules. That from where we are getting nylon, that is the polyamide fiber prepared by the polymerization of large number of amide. Nylon is a strong, lustrous, highly elastic and extremely fine, lightweight and easy to wash, wrinkle free, does not absorb water, and is also not attacked by the fungi, moth, etc. It remains insoluble in most of the common solvent. What are the use of these are the characteristics of the nylon, that what type of the nylon: very strong, luster, elastic and easy to wash, lightweight, wrinkle free, then easily can't absorb water, that is insoluble in most of the common solvent. These are the characteristics of the nylon. Now next, use of nylon. Where we are using a nylon, that due to the high tensile strength of nylon, tensile strength means we can stress is up to large length. High tensile strength of nylon, it used for making fishing nets, climbing ropes, parachute, fabric, string for sports, rackets and musical instrument, bristles for toothbrush and paint brushes. There is a different use of the nylon. Nylon is used in production of textile. Textiles means clothing like sari, shirts, neckties, socks and other garments. For making the different type of the textile, we are using nylon. Wool blended with nylon. Wool we are added with nylon to make socks, suit and carpets. Nylon is widely used for making part of machines such as washer and pulley, etc. In picture also you can see that there is a different type of the fabric of the nylon. Next, our third synthetic fiber, that is the polyester. Polyester, it is the polymer made of the repeating unit of the chemical called esters. When we are repeating esters, ester is a monomer. When we are repeating it, then it will form a polymer, and this polymer we can call it polyester. Poly means more, ester means when we are joining two or more ester with each other. Esters are chemical. Esters are chemical which give fruity smell. Terylene, terene, dacron are some example of polyester fibers. Terylene form terrycoat with cotton, terrywool with wool. Polyester can be drawn into very fine fibers which can woven like any other yarn. Polyester is light, strong, elastic, absorbs little amount of water, dries quickly after washing and is wrinkle free. These are the characteristics of the polyester. Now we will read about the use of the polyester. Where we are using polyester? Polyester fibers are used for manufacturing sari, dress material, curtain, etc. For making sails for sailboat. For making water hoses for firefighter operation. Then for making conveyor belt that we are using in the airport also, for convey our luggage on it. When we are keeping on the luggage, then it will be supply on it, that is the conveyor belt. For making the shirt and trouser also, other dress material, and tri-wool is used for making the suit also. These are the use of the polyester. Next will be our acrylic fiber. Acrylic fiber is a synthetic fiber made from the polymer, and polyacrylonitrile is obtained by the polymerization of large number of the acrylonitrile molecules which are manufactured from petroleum. Acrylic fiber is light in weight, warm with wool-like feel. It is dyed with the different colors. They are use given how we can use it. There is a different use. This one for making sweater, shawl, blanket, jacket, cushion, etc. These are the use of this one. Next, our MCQ. These MCQ question try to do yourself for your homework. Complete in your book these MCQ, and for your homework read this topic again yourself and complete MCQ. Okay. Thank you.